I bought this battery in September of 2021 and it died in December of 2025. I had a brief parasitic drain from my stereo that we took care of, and then the battery sat for about a month. After that, it simply would not take a charge again. So I saved some money on Amazon by buying this UPLUS. They have a good reputation. They're even original equipment in some vehicles. And this is how it showed up. It came with a manual. Always read the manual. Right out of the box, it gave a reading of 1262. When I put it in the Jeep, that reading changed to 1234. So I don't use this Jeep as often as I would like to, and to try to prevent the battery from dying again, I picked up this Trickle charger. I added an extension wire to it so it can sit in the window, but still reach my Jeep on the other side of the garage. And there are a couple of different ends you can put on it. Right now I've got these alligator clips on it so I can hook it up to the battery and see what it's actually going to do for me. Even on this cloudy January day, it's already taken me from 1234 to 1237. Alright, now this is July, and I've changed the end so I can easily run it through the window, or if the top of the Jeep is open, I just drop it right in. And this really couldn't be any simpler, and what's also nice is that it's right in front of you, so it's hard to forget. This end simply plugs in the way that all the other ends connect to it. And then it goes into the power outlet. There's two outlets on the front of the Jeep. The difference is that one is always constant power, this one, and the other one is switched power. The easiest way to test that is plug something in. If the Jeep is off and it powers on, that's the one you're looking for. And the last thing I put in was a simple off switch. Should I develop a parasitic drain again, or just want to turn it off to work on it, or maybe I'll be parking it for a while, it's a really good peace of mind.